All right, we're going to get started with grammar by correcting our homework from last night, which was page 105 in our EPB, which is right here. So we're going to kind of zoom in on numbers 1 through 5. Yeah, you can show me now. Thank you, Chanel. Okay, so for numbers 1 through 5, 5th grade, it asked us to write whether each sentence is declarative, imperative, exclamatory, or interrogative. And I know it might be hard to see up on the smartboard, so I'm going to tell you as we go. So for number 1, it said, "What a fancy flag our state has." That is exclamatory because it ends with an exclamation point. Exclamatory. Number 2 says, "That flag over there represents the state of Texas." That's declarative. You're just making a statement. It is declarative. Number 3, "What colors are in the flag of New Mexico?" That's an interrogative sentence because you're asking a question. Number 4, "The Oregon state flag has different pictures on each side." That's declarative as well. You're just making a statement. You're declaring something. Number 5, "Do you know what is shown on your state flag?" That is interrogative. You are asking a question. All right, then we have 6 through 11. So you had 2 things to do for 6 through 11. First, you were supposed to add end punctuation to the end of each sentence because it didn't already have punctuation. Then you were supposed to circle the letter of the rule that applies for what kind of sentence it is. So number 6, "The state flower of Washington is the pink," oh, I always forget how to say this. I think it's rhododendron. You should have ended that with a period and circled A because it is a declarative or imperative sentence. For number 7, it said, "Find out which state has the cardinal as a state bird." Again, you should have ended with a period and circled A. For number 8, "In what year did Delaware become a state?" You should have ended with a question mark and circled B because it is an interrogative sentence. Number 9, "Wow, North Dakota's flag is such an awesome color." You should have ended with an exclamation point and circled C because it's an exclamatory sentence. Number 10, "Which state flag is not a rectangular shape?" You should have ended with a question mark and circled B. And then for number 11, "How amazing the colors are." You should have ended with an exclamation point and circled C. Is there anyone who did one of those things but not the other by accident? Yeah, you want to make sure you read the instructions carefully. Okay, then we have 12 through 14. I'm going to see if I can move this up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so you guys, when it comes to these kinds of questions, why are we talking and making noises? All right, when it comes to these, my book will give an example answer, like when it asks you to rewrite a sentence. So for 12 through 14, it said rewrite each sentence using the type in parentheses. So the sentence we were given was, "What interesting facts do you know about your state?" But they asked us to make it an imperative sentence, kind of like a command. And so my book said one possible answer is, "Tell me interesting facts you know about your state." Who has another possible answer? Max. Yep, nice one. I only called on Max, so I should not hear others talking. Allison.
Tell me about your state now.
Yeah, tell me about your state now. Zoe.
Tell me the facts you know about your state.
Tell me the facts you know about your state. Michael.
Where are you?
For number 12 as a statement.
What are some interesting facts that you know about your state?
That is still a question because you're using what at the beginning. Yep. So I know that this can be hard, you guys, because when you're given a question, you just kind of think of it as a question. So you should be rearranging words and adding in words to make it a statement. Richie.
I don't know about this one, but find out interesting facts about your state.
Yep, that works too. Then number 13, they gave us, do you know what the stars on the U.S. flag mean? And then they wanted us to make it a declarative sentence. My book said, I know what the stars on the U.S. flag mean. Does anyone have another one that could work? Mackenzie?
The stars on the U.S. flag represent each state.
That works. What else? Is that what you said, Jack? Nice. Emmy?
The stars on the U.S. flag are white.
Nice. Chanel?
You know the stars on the U.S. flag represent the states of America.
Yep. Zoe?
I think that's like the stars on the U.S. flag represent.
Yep. Perfect. Then number 14, it said, a hot air balloon ride is slow and peaceful. But then we needed to make it an interrogative sentence. My book said, is a hot air balloon ride slow and peaceful? Yeah? Nice. Who has a different one? Will.
Did you know a hot air balloon ride is
Nice. Adding did you know to the front. Senna.
Do you think a hot air balloon ride is slow and peaceful?
Yeah, adding do you think to the front. Jack.
How does a hot air balloon ride feel?
How does a hot air balloon ride feel? Allison.
Well, like a hot air balloon ride is peaceful.
Nice. Addie.
How long is a hot air balloon ride? Would that work?
Yeah. How long is a hot air balloon ride? That would work. Emmy.
Why is a hot air balloon ride slow?
Why is it slow? Mackenzie.
Why does the hot air balloon ride slow and peaceful?
That definitely works. And Chanel.
What is a hot air balloon?
What is a hot air balloon? Nice. All right, go ahead and show me on your hands 1 through 5. How did you feel about doing this? How do we feel? Okay, how do we feel? Okay, cool. Awesome. Go put your heads or your hands down. Sorry, not your heads. No, your hands.